Welcome to Graver Load. I'm Anthony, and let's unbox the Xbox Series X. The Xbox Series X is finally out, and I just received mine here today, and I'm pretty excited about it overall. I wish I would be able to get all the consoles, but since I'm paying out of my own pocket, that's not going to happen. Or even like all the graphics cards and everything else that's coming out this year. But I was able to actually get and pre-order one of these before everyone else got them. And I ordered it from the Microsoft Store. So this is the box it comes in here, and you can kind of see the packaging. Microsoft seemed to do a pretty good job of it overall. And let's see here. You can. So these are just, cardboard spacers. Don't care. That cardboard spacer, and then you are left with the console. That comes out, and the protective box is gonna fall down. That was shipped in, and then here is the box. So you have this. It goes on this side. Focuses there. Talks a little about the console. The back, it's got Halo on the back. That's been delayed. Here you go on this side. Bottom is all the fine print. And then the top here. That's a little bit more about the console. So what's interesting is on the bottom, it shows you with two little things about what to do next. So, and the side has, and each side up here. So if you were to take it apart, they're actually pretty good. Trying to put them someplace where I don't actually, stick it on all my papers here. But as you can see, they won't come off if you just have it. So then this should fold up. And here's what it looks like. Just so you know what the top looks like, they package this pretty good. Got foam up there. And I am impressed, Microsoft, with its high density foam. So console comes out. So it's wrapped in this, and I will unwrap it here in a little bit. Set it off to the side here. And we'll get through the rest of this. So inside here is a 3-step thing. It talks about your ports and getting started. So good job, Microsoft, there. The rest of this is just the foam, and then you have all your cords and the controller. So here is, on this side, controller. Oop, the batteries are falling all over the place already. And that looks like it's just a pocket for the controller. You have your power cord and your HDMI. And then product warranty and registration. And there's nothing else in here. Well, there's a piece of foam, but that's it. And that's kind of what is all in the box. Pretty straightforward. There we go. Put it back together. So, I tweaked something, but there we go. That's what's all in the box. And then let's take a look at the actual product. see here, so this box, you can kind of see the other Xbox box up there. I'd say this one's maybe a little bit shorter, but I actually have my Xbox One X right here. So let's put that away. This should be an HDMI, what it says ultra high speed, so I believe that's 2.1. Then with the controller, I mean, it's ripped on this side already, if you can kind of see that. But then on the top you open it, or I will open it at the bottom. And here's the controller. Not too bad. Buttons are a little bit cleaner. It feels like they're not as mushy, I'd say. So it actually works out pretty good. Got batteries. Microsoft gives you 2 Duracell. At some point, I wish that Microsoft would just put in the rechargeable ones. I don't like to keep wasting batteries and everything. If they have a rechargeable option, it's a much for the just all the e-waste that's already happening. Let's not throw away more batteries. But here it is, power your dreams. And let's take this off. So power your dreams. And then it's still wrapped in this black little foam, and the tape is actually pretty good here. It tears it, so it's not really just a simple foam. Jeez, Microsoft got some good tape on there. And there it is. That's the front, and we got an IR sensor next to that button, USB, CD-ROM, looking at it through the camera lens and it's not doing so well. So you got your button right here. You have your base, and it seems like it's got like a rubber pad on the base, which is, I like that. I mean, you have vibrations probably from fan spinning, and you can see it's up off the ground a little bit. Then you have this side, if you're going to put it flat, you got pads there, so you can just lay it flat if you want. The back side, you see there's vents on top, and then you have vents in the bottom, and that is a network card, HDMI, you have your expansion slot, power, and 2 USBs, no USB-C, and then you have your other side, which is just says Xbox, and then you have your top, which it's kind of got that little green in there. It's got holes. Depending upon the light hits it, works out. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to power this thing up here in a little bit. But for comparison, here let's take. So that is the difference. So it's a little bit shorter. Hard to get it on video and hold both consoles. So, yeah. Overall weight, just by feeling it, this is a little bit heavier, but not too bad. But that is the unboxing of the Xbox Series S, or X. Not S, I don't have that one. So, manufacture date was September 23rd, 2020 on this one. So, we will see how it all works. I'm excited. I wish I had a better 4K TV, but I just have a 4K LG older 49-inch, and we'll see how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I'll do a review of it once I get playing with it, see how it works, see how it compares. But I'll probably throw this my other Xbox One instead of my media center. Probably throw it upstairs, so in my bedroom, and I can play games on there upstairs, and then from there, yeah, we'll see how this one go in the Xbox Series X will go in the main entertainment system, so we'll see how that works. Cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for helping support Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. I really appreciate it. Let me know what questions you have about this council, and until next time, God bless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.